For a moment there, I thought, what on earth am I going to talk about today on the lunch break? Because there is no news to talk about. And thank goodness, I just received an email from Zina van Tonder, the Springboks media liaison, about the team, that the squad that Rassie decided to select. He's sent 5 players back to their franchises to go play for their franchises against the All Blacks. And, looking forward to getting most of those injured players back. So let me just read those names for you. I can't remember them all. The players that are being sent back to the franchises to be able to play against the All Blacks in mid-big games are Ntuku Mchunu for the Stormers, Evan Roos for the Stormers, Andre Venter for the Stormers, Emrose Papier for the Bulls, and Jaco Williams for the Wings, for the Sharks, for the Wings. So that's an interesting one. He says that that will be an opportunity for them to play, and also will help the Springboks decide on the final composition of their squad. Looks like maybe, especially Emrose Papier and maybe Evan Roos, hasn't fully convinced yet. That's going to be an interesting one. So players that are making a return from injuries, just as long a list. Listen to this: Eben Etzebeth, Lode Jager, Franco Mostert, Siya Kolisi, Sasha Feinberg and Komazulu, Andre Pollard, Ethan Hooker, Kane Moody, Andre Esdreisen, and Morne van der Berg, all back from injury. And Ruben van Heerden, who made his debut against Wales, is not included in the group, but that's simply because he has now to report to his new team, Montpellier. I'm going to give him some time to settle in, but he is still on standby for the team. Rassie says, we put a lot of thought into how we will manage this entire group of players to give everyone a chance to stake a claim for places in the squad for the Greatest Rivalry Series. And we decided that splitting the squad into 2 groups will be the best for the Springbok teams and the players to play their way into the squad. So we will, this 43-man squad, they will decide, depending on the progress from injuries, we will decide who will take to Argentina, while the other guys will stay behind in Joburg, a group of coaches and management, begin preparing for the test against New Zealand. Yeah, so let's see, limited, blah, blah, blah. Rasmus is wary of Argentina. Yeah, the old stuff, their quality team, but they lost 2 out of their 3 games. Let's not fool ourselves. But we have slipped on that banana peel in Argentina before, make no mistake. So the Springboks have this week off to spend with their families, and then the 43-man squad will assemble at the training base on Sunday. They will train for a week before the traveling squad to Argentina departs for Buenos Aires in 2 groups following Sunday and Monday, because that test is, of course, the 8th of August on the Saturday. Yeah, it's getting closer now. I saw last night with Martin Devlin how excited they are. This is a big thing, man. This is the real thing. So people are really getting excited. The All Blacks are licking their lips for facing the Springboks. Exciting times. Let's just look at that squad together quickly. The props: Thomas du Toit, Wilco Louw, Oxenchair, Zachary Porton, Carlos Sadi, Gerard Steenekamp, Boan Venter, hookers, Johan Groblaar and Malcolm Marx. Only 2 hookers, but that's obviously because there's a lot of hybrid players that can play hooker as well. Locks: Lode Jager, Eben Etzebeth, Ruan Nortje. Only 3 locks. Where's Kobus Wiese? Loose forwards: Paul de Villiers, Ben Jason Dixon, Cameron Hanekom, Siya Kolisi, Aldrich Louw, Jasper Wiese. Utility forwards: Pieter Steph du Toit, Franco Mostert, Vincent Tutuka, Marco van Staden, Jan-Hendrik Wessels, and Kobus Wiese. Here he is. So he's an hybrid. He is under utility. Okay, that makes sense. Scrum half, social Yankees again. Kobus Reinach, Morne van der Berg, Grant Williams. You know Rassie likes his 4 scrum halves. Fly-offs: Manie Libbok, Sasha Feinberg and Komazulu, Vusi Moyo, back in the squad, still in the squad, and then obviously Andre Pollard. Centers: Damien Dialende, Andre Esdreisen, and Jesse Kriel. Andre Esdreisen is listed as a center, not as a utility player. That's interesting. Outsides and utility backs: Kurtley Arendse, Apeleli Fassi, Ethan Hooker, Kieran Horn, Cheslin Colby, Kane Moody, Edwulf van der Merwe, and Damian Willemse. Players released for the franchise, I'll just repeat those names: Ntuku Mchunu, Evan Roos, Andre Venter, all for the Stormers, and Jaco Williams for the Sharks, and Emrose Papier for the Bulls. On standby, Ruben van Heerden for Montpellier. I've got a feeling about Ruben van Heerden. I've got a feeling like Ruan Nortje, he's now got his chance. He's staked his claim. As players that we saw there, Franco Mostert, Lode Jager, they haven't played in a very, very long time. They've been injured for a long time. And I think we might almost see a bit of a changing of the guard. Yeah, looking forward to this one. Yeah, that's a very short lunch break for you today. I need to go speak to someone at Loftus. I'm on my way there now. I need to hurry up. So thank you for making time for us. Leave a comment down below what you think of this team. Any surprises, any people you would have liked to see there, or especially, Evan Roos going back, Emrose Papier going back. Maybe they have not really convinced us. He said that, again, like I said, they'll use this opportunity to see if they can be part of the squad playing against the All Blacks. Yeah, I wouldn't be too happy if I was being sent back, but that's just me. Right, so see you tomorrow.